boy, do I have some tasty treats for you. One of my favorite childhood treats growing up were called Rice Krispie treats. They were bad, they were unhealthy, so I've got creative and made a healthy version. You can have any type of rice cake that you want. I'm going all out with some caramel flavored rice cakes. What I'm going to do is mix in a consistency that I'll add on top of it, including 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter, 1 scoop of micellar casein isolate. I have vanilla, and then I have some almond milk here. There's 1 cup here. I probably won't use all that because I like to have a slightly thicker consistency to some people, but maybe you want it a little bit more runny. So what I'm going to do is add a scoop of vanilla casein isolate in yonder, and then I'll put the healthy fats coming from the tablespoon of almond butter, and then I will start adding a little bit of the almond milk. Not all of it, I'll start off with a little bit and mix that into a thick consistency. Making sure that you get the almond butter completely mixed in as well. Okay, so that is quite thick. I can add a little bit more almond milk to that. Probably down to about half a cup now. And this is a much better consistency of what I am after. This is such a simple snack that has some good carbohydrates from your rice, the puffed up rice, healthy fats from the almond butter, and then some awesome first-class proteins from the vanilla casein. So all I do then is get a Rice Krispie cake, take about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of the mixture, and there you are. Voila, some healthy Rice Krispie treats. How bad boy is that? Huh? Awesome.